In a world of luxury cars, there exists a class of cars that is beyond even the reach of billionaires. While most of us can only dream of owning one, these expensive cars continue to captivate our imagination and remind us of the heights of opulence that money can reach. Number 9. Hispano-Suiza Karmann Bologna. Introducing the Hispano-Suiza Karmann Bologna, the epitome of automotive excellence. With its sleek design and unparalleled performance, this car is a true masterpiece. Priced at around $2 million, it represents the pinnacle of luxury and exclusivity. Named after the iconic Bologna racing circuit, this limited edition vehicle pays homage to the brand's rich racing heritage. But it's not just about its prestigious name. The Hispano-Suiza Karmann Bologna is equipped with a powerful electric motor, delivering an astounding 1,100 horsepower. Brace yourself for a driving experience that pushes the boundaries of speed and agility. Step inside and be mesmerized by the opulence that surrounds you. From the finest materials to state-of-the-art technology, the interior of the Karmann Bologna is a testament to luxury and sophistication. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to provide an unrivaled sense of comfort and elegance. Number 8. Delage D12. The Delage D12 is a true masterpiece of automotive engineering that will leave you in awe. With its exquisite design and cutting-edge technology, this car stands out as a symbol of luxury and innovation. However, such exclusivity comes at a price, with the Delage D12 commanding a hefty $2.6 million price tag. Beneath its sleek exterior lies a powerhouse of performance. The V12 engine roars to life, unleashing an impressive 900 horsepower, allowing the D12 to achieve incredible speed and agility on the road. Paired with advanced suspension and braking systems, this car delivers a thrilling and secure driving experience. The interior of the Delage D12 is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship, boasting opulent materials and sophisticated design elements that create an ambiance of refinement and comfort. With its limited production numbers, the Delage D12 has become an exquisite collector's item coveted by automotive enthusiasts around the globe. This extraordinary car encapsulates the perfect blend of artistry and engineering, making it a true automotive gem that captivates the senses. Number 7. McLaren Solus. Introducing the McLaren Solus, a limited edition supercar born from the collaboration between McLaren Automotive and McLaren Special Operations. With only 10 units ever produced worldwide, this extraordinary vehicle embodies exclusivity and sophistication, commanding a price tag of $3.5 million. Beneath its captivating exterior lies a true powerhouse. The McLaren Solus is equipped with a formidable 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, unleashing an astonishing 814 horsepower. This immense power propels the Solus from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.8 seconds, delivering an adrenaline-inducing driving experience like no other. Not only does the Solus perform at the highest level, but it also captivates with its stunning aesthetics. Every curve and line of its carbon fiber bodywork exudes elegance and modernity, a testament to McLaren's unwavering commitment to design excellence. The Solus sits on lightweight 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels, adorned with Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires, ensuring optimal performance and grip on the road. Number 6. Lamborghini Sián Roadster. The Lamborghini Sián Roadster is more than just a car. It's a masterpiece of automotive engineering. Combining breathtaking performance and a sleek aerodynamic design, this hybrid supercar stands out from the crowd. With its V12 engine delivering an impressive 819 horsepower, the Sián Roadster offers lightning-fast acceleration and top speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. However, what truly sets it apart is its cutting-edge hybrid technology. The innovative supercapacitor system stores energy, providing an extra boost when needed, enhancing speed, efficiency, and environmental friendliness. The Sián Roadster's stunning design further captures attention. The removable roof lets you revel in the open air, while the iconic upward opening doors add a touch of drama and futurism. Inside, the Lamborghini Sián Roadster boasts a luxurious interior crafted with the finest materials such as carbon fiber, Alcantara, and leather. The Lamborghini Sián Roadster commands a hefty price tag of approximately $3.7 million, making it one of the world's most expensive and exclusive cars. With a limited production run of just 19 units, owning one represents a truly unique and unparalleled opportunity. Number 5. Bugatti 110. The Bugatti 110 is a hypercar that stands as a tribute to the iconic Bugatti EB110, a renowned model from the 1990s. This limited edition masterpiece exemplifies the pinnacle of automotive engineering, making it one of the most exclusive and sought-after cars in the world. With a staggering price tag of around $9 million, the 110 demands attention and embodies the epitome of luxury and performance. Under the hood, the Bugatti 110 boasts a formidable quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine. This powertrain unleashes an astounding 1,600 horsepower, catapulting the car to exhilarating speeds exceeding 236 miles per hour. The 110's remarkable acceleration and top-notch performance set it apart from its peers, leaving car enthusiasts awe-inspired. Beyond its impressive power, the Bugatti 110 flaunts an exquisite and aerodynamic design, finished in a striking white color scheme. Every curve and line on this hypercar has been meticulously crafted to marry beauty with functionality. Number 4. SP Automotive Chaos. Introducing the remarkable SP Automotive Chaos, a car that exemplifies the pinnacle of automotive engineering. With its astonishing power output of 3,000 horsepower and a 3,000 pound-foot of torque, this ultra car stands as a true masterpiece. Its hybrid powertrain, consisting of a massive 9.4-liter V8 engine and 4 electric motors, propels it to astounding speeds exceeding 350 miles per hour. The SP Automotive Chaos not only delivers unparalleled velocity, but also showcases advanced features such as active aerodynamics and state-of-the-art suspension systems. This exceptional vehicle merges power and innovation, making it one of the most advanced and fastest cars on the planet. The integration of cutting-edge technology allows Chaos to push the boundaries of automotive performance. Whether it's the sleek design or the combination of raw power and electric efficiency, this ultra car sets a new benchmark in the industry. As drivers experience the adrenaline rush of commanding the Chaos, they're met with a vehicle that epitomizes automotive excellence and showcases the remarkable advancements achieved by SP Automotive. Number 3. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. Meet the mesmerizing Bugatti La Voiture Noire, a true embodiment of automotive artistry. With its sleek and aerodynamic design, this exceptional vehicle draws inspiration from the legendary Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, renowned as one of the most captivating cars ever created. The La Voiture Noire stands as a testament to elegance and sophistication, boasting a distinctive black exterior that commands attention, accentuated by its captivating C-shaped taillights. However, the allure of the Bugatti La Voiture Noire extends far beyond its striking appearance. Beneath its hood lies a formidable quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine, delivering a mind-boggling 1,500 horsepower. With this incredible power at its disposal, the La Voiture Noire propels itself from 0 to 60 in an instant, effortlessly conquering the roads with top speeds surpassing 260 miles per hour. Luxury and performance of this magnitude do come at a price, and the Bugatti La Voiture Noire proudly carries a hefty price tag of around $19 million. Such exclusivity ensures that only a select few will have the privilege of owning this automotive masterpiece, elevating it to the realm of collector's items and solidifying its status as a symbol of unrivaled craftsmanship and opulence. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. When it comes to the world of luxury cars, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail sets a new standard that defies convention. This extraordinary masterpiece goes beyond being a mere vehicle. It's a bespoke creation that represents the epitome of opulence and exclusivity. Uniquely crafted to embody the individuality and discerning taste of its private client, the Boat Tail showcases meticulous attention to detail and unparalleled design. Inspired by the timeless elegance of the Rolls-Royce Phantom, the Boat Tail diverges into a realm of its own. Every element of this exceptional car has been meticulously handcrafted and custom-made, from the exquisite coachwork to the meticulously curated interior. Drawing inspiration from the grace and sophistication of classic yachts and other symbols of ultimate luxury, the Boat Tail embodies the perfect fusion of art and automotive engineering. Now get ready to be amazed by its remarkable features. Beyond its stunning split rear tailgate, the Boat Tail boasts a concealed built-in refrigerator ingeniously designed to accommodate a bottle of champagne and 2 crystal glasses. This automotive marvel is not just a symbol of power and beauty, but also a testament to the finer things in life. Naturally, you may wonder about the price tag of such unrivaled magnificence. Reports suggest that the Rolls-Royce Boattail carries an approximate price tag of $28 million, making it one of the most expensive cars ever created. Number 1. Ferrari 250 GTO. The Ferrari 250 GTO is an incredibly famous and sought-after car in the world. But why is it so valuable? Well, it's because the Ferrari 250 GTO is a rare and exceptional car that was made in the early 1960s. It has a remarkable track record of winning races and championships, and only a total of 36 of these cars were ever built. That's why collectors and fans really want to get their hands on one. Now, let's talk about the price. It's not easy to put a precise value on a Ferrari 250 GTO, but recent reports suggest that it could be worth around $70 million. Yes, you heard that right, $70 million. That's more money than most people can even imagine. However, for people who are passionate about cars and love the history behind them, it's worth every penny. Owning a Ferrari 250 GTO means owning a piece of automotive history and being part of an exclusive group of people who appreciate the beauty and power of these incredible machines. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the channel.